Guys, what's up? It's Mark. How's everybody doing? If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you've liked the videos in the past. If you're still here and watching, thank you for that. With that said, this is a quick, short video because it's not ready yet. I'm going through the process of getting inspected, detailed, everything mechanically going to be checked out. I did buy it from a guy who almost bought it brand new, so it's two-owner. I bought it from actually a good buddy of mine. He's actually the same buyer that bought my 2010 ZL1 Camaro, that super badass Camaro that I had. You'll see in the previous videos. Look through my videos in my channel and you'll check it out. Did a full video on that. It was pretty badass too. With that said, this right here, guys, is a rare, get this, it's called Synergy Green. It's a rare color produced. It's a special edition model as far as the options inside and stuff like that. It's got the nice stripes on it. It's got the sunroof. It's got the nice interior, and you'll see right here. Check this out. A lot of them don't have it. Take my plate out of the way. 84,000 miles on it, and it's got the nice painted to match from the factory green incorporated all in the door panels. Nice glossy paint, same color as the car, Synergy Green, and it lights up at nighttime. A little courtesy light, like a accent light, all here and all there. It's a 6-cylinder engine. Everything works great and perfect in it. The seats are in great shape. It smells honestly brand new in here, guys. I'm not joking when I tell you this. The car smells brand new. The car will probably be sold before I get the official final video already out. The guy did, when he had it, brand new tires all the way around, brand new brakes all the way around. Just got a brand new battery because it's been sitting on a trickle charger for a while. There's a full car cover in here to match the car. And like I said, it's super good, can't even speak today. Well taken care of, and the paint is just absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful paint. But yeah, 2 small imperfections in the whole entire car. Right there. 2 little rock chips that have been touched up already. But that's it. Yeah, 2010 Synergy Green Incredible Hulk Camaro. Hope you guys like it. Sorry for the short video. Just doing a quick rundown on the car so you can get a glimpse of what's up to come. And I'm in love with this. It's probably one of my favorite. I'm a big fan as far as like top-end exotic car colors and rare colors. This is one of the ones that pushes your buttons right there. You're like, oh my god. You walk back out in the parking lot and you're like, that's nice. So I hope you guys like the video. This is Mark signing out. Subscribe, hit the notification button. See you guys soon, and remember, remember whatever you want to remember. I just tried to sound cool at the end of the video. See you guys. Peace out. Bye.